Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. Got another freshwater engine for sale today. This one is a 1999 Mercury 75 horse. This is a long shaft remote. This one came back 110 PSI on all three cylinders. It'll come with a prop that is on it. It'll come with a good used control box. It will not come with the throttle shift cables. Every boat needs different lengths. We just don't send them with. Let's see here, new spark plugs, new impeller, fuel filter is cleaned, new lower unit lube, and the lower unit was resealed on this one. That's just something that has to be done over time. They start leaking out of a seal, fishing line, whatever else. So we went ahead and resealed this one. We'll go ahead and get this fired up here. This is a two-stroke, so I'm going to turn the fan on. Give it a second here. Pumping good water. Go ahead and put it forward. Back to neutral. Reverse. Back to neutral. Shut it off. Fire back up. Forward. Turn it off. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.